Alright. Here we are. In the bathroom. Cutting some grass down in the middle of my nose. I've got my film crew joining me. Isn't that right, Mom?
Yes, sir.
Alright, good. My lovely assistant holding the mirror. Am I getting the job done, guys? Can you see that? Huh?
Yeah, looks like it.
Yeah? Oh, cameraman special. There you go. Oh, yeah. See, my nose hairs grow like weeds, and I gotta keep them down. But I think I'm doing a pretty good job. Oh.
Is that on camera too?
I think so.
Nice.
Oh.
He loves this.
No.
What?
I don't love it.
Oh. I like when it makes that noise because then I know I'm getting them. He hates it, but look at all those hairs. See?
The only reason I let you do it. Ah.
Why?
Why?
Because I get all the hairs?
Because you get more hairs than I do.
Yeah.
Oh, I think some just went in my mouth.
Oh, yeah. Is that enough, sir?
I think so.
Yeah, it's like, oh, don't. I hate it when he does that. Booger spray.
Am I good? Huh? Alright. You tell me. Leave a comment or something. I need to know if they're clean. Thank you.